pretty out here today. Go ahead, get in the boat, Tim.
Yeah, dude.
Yes. Wow. That's a big fucking steelhead.
That's a friggin' football.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
That's a fatty football there. Hell yeah.
That was a steelhead on the dipsy.
On a dipsy. Yeah, I caught him on dipsy. Here we go.
Which one? This
Bottom.
Still leaking eggs. Something else sticking out of it.
This is the lure that he took. Garlic bun. Oh wait, never mind.